Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm here in Durrës, Albania, and that's the Venetian Tower. It falls in their top 10 things to see here in Durrës, and so I figured I'll go look at it. Let's go take a look. So the hard part is that from here I can capture it pretty well. You know, if I get really close within its boundaries over there, you're not going to get to see very much. So I think I'm going to skirt it a little bit and then get closer as I can. There's an amazing statue that looks like a Neptune with a sea serpent, horse serpent thingy down there on the bottom, right next to the, or right across from the Venetian Tower. But getting to the Venetian Tower might be a little tricky, but we'll see what we can do. Oh, it's got a walkway here that I can take, it looks like. Does that get me to the Venetian Tower? Hang on one second, let me look. It's still gonna be a hop, skip, and a jump. Well, this gives you a good view of the Venetian Tower, doesn't it? Yeah, let's see if I can cross this street without getting killed twice. All right, well, there's one. And I think I can make it. All right. There's the Venetian Tower. Cool. And I think I saw people up on top, but you know, I think the only thing it really offers is a view. And you can see that it kind of connects to the city walls here, the old city walls. And there used to be a castle a long time ago. There's no castle anymore. I asked about it and they said, no, there's just walls. Okay. So no castle video because there's no castle. But there is a Venetian Tower, which looks pretty cool. And it looks like the city walls butted up like right close to it actually. See right here? Yes. Let me get a little further and we'll be able to tell for sure. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. And it looks like you can go inside, but I think I'm gonna pass. All right, everybody. That's the Venetian Tower in Durrës, Albania. Very cool. Thanks for coming along with me. You know, it's nice to take you guys with me. Makes me not feel alone. Okay, bye everybody.